Today's lesson: how to pass your MVC road test. Step 1. Air brake and pre-trip. This is where you inspect the inside and outside of the vehicle. From here, you can either fail or you can pass. If you fail, I'm sorry, you go home. However, if you pass, congrats. Step 2. Yard skills. Alley docking, offset backing, parallel parking, straight line backing. You will follow the course as shown. The first skill is straight line backing, followed by offset backing, followed by parallel parking. Or you might be asked to perform an alley dock as well. There are only two options. You either pass or you fail. If you fail, you might be grumpy. If you pass, you might be dancing. But wait, the test's not over yet. Step 3. Road skills. This will test your skills on highway driving as well as shifting. It's the easiest part. Don't blow it. Well, that's the road test. We hope that helped. We wish you the best of luck.